Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news about China today. China pumped funds into their financial system and expanded a lending facility to include smaller banks, as rising cash demand before the Lunar New Year drove money market rates up by the most in 7 months, reaching 6.32%. Markets did calm after the move, though. China's economic growth slowed slightly in the fourth quarter of 2013 as gains in factory output and investment spending eased last month. It was the slowest expansion for China in 14 years, even though more than 10 million new jobs were created in 2013. However, the credit clampdowns add pressure to the outlook for 2014. Also building as a challenge for China is demographic data, which was out overnight that its total working population dropped for the second straight year in 2013, shrinking by more than 2.4 million people. All these changes will probably prove very good for New Zealand exports of primary products. The rural-urban shift has a long way to go, and wages will be rising faster, indicating long-term growing demand for our products, even if our rivals seek similar markets. Emphasising this is that even though economic growth was 7.7% in 2013, consumption grew at a spectacular 13% in the year. In Japan, they are being open about their desire to push up land prices. As a part of their new goals to rekindle some economic growth, they are looking to inner-city living expansion to do part of the job. They think the impact could be extremely big. Australia's falling exchange rate is moving as the RBA wants. But we're about to get a test of whether Aussie consumers are happy about it. Their inflation data for fourth quarter is due out tomorrow and is expected to show prices that are rising faster than they used to. It is unlikely to show any serious stress tomorrow, however, but the trend will build as their currency trends lower. We're going to look at our own consumer price inflation later this morning with data released by Statistics New Zealand at 10:45. US markets are closed today for a public holiday, but the New Zealand dollar starts today virtually unchanged at 82.6 US cents, 93.9 Aussie cents, and the TWI is at 78.5. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.